What is up guys, in this video I'll be showing you Windows 10 Mobile build number 10586.36 on a Nokia Lumia 730. So let's get started. So as on December 23rd, 2015, this is the latest build available for Windows phones. So let's get started. Just a sec, dismiss this notifications. Alright guys, sorry for the interruptions, I'm back. So as of December 23rd, 2015, this is the latest build available for Windows phones. You can see this is a Nokia Lumia 730. Now I have been using this build, which is build number 10586.36 ever since it came out, and I must say that this build is very stable. I have had absolutely no application crashes. Everything works pretty flawlessly, and you can see the performance is pretty good. Previously I'd done videos of Windows 10 running on this phone, and yeah, the application performance such as Album was, yeah, it was pretty poor compared to what it is now. So yeah, I can safely say this phone is ready to be used as a daily driver. So let's go ahead onto settings. You can collapse this and you can expand this, and yeah, long tap on the icon here to launch the main settings. Let's go back, drop down the menu, head over to all settings, and yeah, you can see the different settings here. And one more new thing I've noticed is that if you turn off the rotation lock and flip your phone onto the side, all the settings will become landscape. So this is a nice addition. I didn't try it before. I think it might have existed, but anyways, I didn't try it, and you can see the new layout. It's pretty cool. I like it. Alright, so before I do anything else, let me show you the build number. So let's head over to System, head over to About, and here on the bottom right side you can see the OS build, which is 10.0.10586.36. So again, this is the latest build available as of now. So let's exit this. So what I'm going to do in this video is launch different applications so you guys can see how well this particular build performs on a Nokia Lumia 730. Alright, so let's begin. So unlock the phone. So first off, let's head over to the camera application. The camera app has been slightly redone compared to Windows Phone 8.1. Only the visuals are different, the camera quality and the startup time, everything is the same. You launch more manual settings from here, and yeah, on this phone you can also control the focus, so no problems with that. Alright, moving on to Microsoft Edge web browser. Just launch the browser from here, and you guys can see I already have the desktop website of Steam open here, steamcommunity.com. and yeah, this is a pretty media intensive website. It's got a lot of pictures, lots of moving animated pictures, GIFs. So yeah, the phone is able to render all this properly. It's absolutely no problem, no slowdowns. We shifted to landscape mode. No problems on the browser side. Yeah, that's gonna take time to download more pictures of internet. Now it's working. So absolutely no problems on the web browser side. Let's exit this. Turn the rotation lock back on and head over to the photo application. Mind you, the previous application is still running in the background. If we long press the back button here. You'll get an overview of what all applications are running. Guys can see Microsoft Edge and the camera running, so you can just toggle between them. Just tap camera and camera will come back. Again, long press the back key and you want Microsoft Edge back, just tap it and it'll come back. Alright, so let's head over to the photo application. Again, you can see absolutely no slowdowns, no hiccups whatsoever. Everything is working perfectly. Even pinch to zoom is working fine now. Previously it wasn't. And you can change your background wallpaper, or you can set it as your lock screen. I'm not gonna do that. I like the current wallpaper. Or you know what? We'll just change it for the sake of it. Set as background. There we go. But yeah, this background isn't really suited for this thing. So let's change it to this. No, too girly. Change it to this. Or this. So yeah, you guys can see absolutely no issues here. Phone is working fine, the performance is good. Now since I have been using this phone regularly, I can't show you the messaging application or the phone app because it has all my personal numbers and personal messages around there, so we're gonna skip that part and head over to the calendar application. So you can see the calendar is already showing some events. Merry Christmas, by the way. And it's showing you different birthdays. These have been synced from Facebook. So she's my Facebook friend. Alright guys, so let's head over to the File Explorer. Tap this icon which says File Explorer. And you can see it has been revamped from what it was previously. Far more functional now. Select the SD card and you can head over to Pictures. So these were the wallpapers you were browsing just now in the gallery. And yeah, you can change the wallpaper even from here. Let me try changing it. Open this. Set as background. So I just check it, and yeah, you can see you can even change the wallpaper from the File Explorer. Let's go back. So if you want to see the properties, so you long press that and select properties and it'll show you, but unfortunately, oh yeah, it's showing. It wasn't showing before. It's showing now. You can see how big the folder is, how many files are there. So you can even move the whole folder. You can move to copy, or you can even rename it. Like I said, it's far more functional now. So let's just check the properties of the SD card. So it will show you how much it's in use and how much the memory is free. And yeah, again, all of the applications what we have opened before are still running in the background, so still the phone has not slowed down at all. So we're gonna leave these open and continue our quest to find any sort of lags on Windows 10 Mobile. Alright, so let's continue. Let's head over to Cortana. I don't think this will work because I haven't downloaded English United States, so you still need English United States to make Cortana work. Unfortunately, it gives me an error whenever I try to download it, so yeah guys, sorry about that. I won't be able to download this language and show you how Cortana works. Yeah, that's a bummer. No issues though. I guess it'll work when Windows 10 Mobile is final. So the weather app. The weather app has also been revamped from what it was before. It's far more advanced and far more intuitive to use. You can see the different options you get now. You can you can see different cities, just tap on places and you can see. Let's head back. Now moving on to the media applications. The Groove Music is replacing the default Xbox Music app, which was horrible, by the way. Now I don't have any music installed, any music downloaded onto this phone, so it's not gonna show anything. But yeah, trust me, it's a nice application, and you'll like using it if you've used Xbox Music before. Let's head over to the video app, movies and TV. Let's see the videos. I did add a video. Here it is. So let me just make it full screen. So videos are working no problem. This is a full HD video. It's working alright. So let's exit that. Now the FM radio unfortunately requires you to plug in the headset because this so the headset works as an antenna, so you'll need that to make the radio work. Now Word, Excel, PowerPoint, this phone also comes bundled with the default basic Office applications, which is a nice addition. These files will sync onto your Microsoft OneDrive, by the way, then you can sync it onto your PC. And I think you can create local documents too. I haven't tried it. Start using Excel. New. So what if I want to save it onto the device? Let me see if there's an option. Save a copy of this file. So yeah, there's an option. You can save it on the phone memory, or you can save it on the SD card, or you can save it on your OneDrive to sync it with your PC. I do prefer the SD card option more though. And let's head over to Microsoft Word. So let's check it out what this is. I had synced this file from my PC to my OneDrive before. Let's check it out what it is. Oh, it can't open the file. There's a bug here. Let's try it again one last time. Nope. Let's create a new one. Blank document. And you guys can probably see, yeah, this text is too small. Let's zoom in for you guys. And you can probably see this small blue dot over here. This is actually to move the cursor here and there. So if I want to move it over here, you can either do this, which is pretty tedious, or you can just keep your finger on this and you can see how it works. Works very well. I like it. Okay, so let me just exit this. Let's head over to PowerPoint. I have tried this version of PowerPoint on the Android phone which I have, which is a Sony Xperia. It works very well. I like it. Again, I have no new presentations here. Very similar to what it is like on the PC, which is what I love about Windows Phone 10. It works almost like your PC. Here we go. So you guys get an idea on how it works. And again, you can save it onto the phone too, no problems. And again, like I said, all of the applications are still open. If I long press the back button, you guys can see all of the different applications are still running. Let's just dismiss that. It's asking for my feedback. Hold on a sec, guys. So yeah, again, all of the applications are still running. So if you swipe your finger from right to left, reveal the whatever applications are installed on the phone. Let's launch calculator. You can change the calculator to date, calculation, programmer, scientific. So yeah, you guys can see how smooth and it's very functioning very well. I like it. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now is take you through the different settings of this phone. Basically we're gonna explore how settings and notification bar looks like on a Windows 10 mobile device. So to access your notification bar, you got to swipe in from top to bottom like this. It'll reveal your notifications here, and you can see these different tiles. How this works is if you long press on one of these, it'll take you to the main settings. This is a new feature of Windows 10 Mobile, so if I long press on this Wi-Fi tile, it'll take me to the main settings of the Wi-Fi. So same with the location tile. You can see you've reached the location settings. So that's how it works. Now some of these won't work, like the Bluetooth one. If I long press this, nothing happens, it just stays like that. Not sure why that's happening, maybe because this isn't the final version of Windows 10 Mobile. Let's try it on cellular data. This is working. Let's try battery saver. That's working. Battery saver is working now. Good on that. Previously it wasn't working. Alright guys, let's head over to the main settings of Windows 10 Mobile. So to do that, you gotta drop down the notification bar and tap on all settings. Now this is what I really love about Windows 10 Mobile, is that all of your settings are available at one single place, and all of them are properly grouped up under different categories like system, devices, network and wireless, personalization, unlike on Windows Phone 8.1 where everything was jumbled up and it was just much more complicated than this. So I'm gonna quickly go through all of these. So here you have your display settings, notification and actions, phone, messaging, battery saver, storage, stuff like that. Here you can change different settings. You can change the font size, change the brightness level, change the rotation lock. So let's exit that. Devices, you have your different settings. You have Bluetooth, you have default camera settings. There's only one camera app installed, so let it be there. Unfortunately, this phone does not support USB on the go. You can see only chargers and USB connections, two PCs are supported from your mobile device, so no USB on the go support for Nokia Lumia 730. NFC, tap to share works, but unfortunately Android share does not work on this phone. It just denies receiving files. that's bad. Network and wireless, here you find all of your network settings. Personalization, change your start menu looks, change the tile transparency. You can select whether to show lots of tiles on the start menu or to show just 2 or 3 tiles. Change the colors, system colors that is. Sounds, lock screen settings. No Windows Hello, by the way. I tried getting info on that and still it isn't available. Your account settings, time and date, privacy settings. Can select which background app should run or not. It is a pretty cool feature, I like it. Here you have your update, phone update and security. And here are some extras. You have equalizer, display settings again. You can still change the color profile. I like it on vivid, so it's gonna leave it there. So I think that concludes this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video, and yeah, let me just check if all of the apps are running. Oh yeah, you can see all of the apps are still running, and yeah, the phone is performing alright. I'm gonna close that one by one. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, press that like button, it helps a lot. So thank you guys for watching this video, and do stay tuned for more videos like these.